guys, may bago akong ampon. Yan, may bagong ampon ako guys. So guys, may bagong guys. So guys, bago may ampon, taan namin ang bahay kasi pasang ulan kagabi. Likot niya guys, guys, si Mingming, likot ni Mingming guys, ngayong umaga lang kami nakita niyan.